Every week, I watch agency owners waste hours doing the same thing, copying a client's answers from a form, pasting them into a doc, updating a spreadsheet, drafting a follow-up email. Come on, that is not strategy, that is admin, but I have good news. There's an AI agent that does all of this in one prompt. Stay with me. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist and the owner of a branding agency. Welcome to my channel, where I share practical tools and strategies to help you build and grow your brand. Today, I'm partnering with PokeeAI to show you something that I've actually been testing inside my own agency workflow. PokeeClaw is an AI agent. Think of it like OpenClaw, but it works directly inside tools you already use with zero setup, and it runs everything in a secure sandbox so your credentials and client data stay private. Now, I'm going to walk you through a full client intake scenario using nothing but Google Workspace. So forms, slides, sheets, and Gmail. If you've ever wished your tools just talked to each other without you in the middle, this is going to be very satisfying for you to watch. So here's the scenario. A potential client has just filled out my brand audit intake form on Google Forms. Normally, that's a kickoff for a whole manual chain. Now, I read through the answers, I draft a reply, I update my leads tracker, and then I ping my team. With PokeeClaw, I give it one prompt and it handles all of that. Starting on the PokeeClaw dashboard, before we prompt anything, I'm gonna click authentication so you can see what I've already connected, so the Google apps that I'm demoing for this video, and a few others like Instagram, but notice there are so many other apps and things you can connect to, and with a one-click OAuth. So that means that you don't have to fiddle around with API keys or complicated configurations. I'm already impressed, by the way, and we haven't even started prompting. But I'm gonna do that now. I type a single prompt. Read the brand audit intake responses from this Google Sheet and find Sarah's submission and draft a personalized acknowledgement email in Gmail and notify my team in Slack. Now, I could probably come up with a more efficient and masterful prompt, and I will, the more I use this tool, but that shouldn't be prohibitive or limiting, at least in the start, right? The point is to just start and get better gradually. Now, once again, I want to show you the Google form that my client fills out. I save the responses in a Google Sheet, which is just a setting I have toggled on. So I might just paste the URL into my prompt. It's not required because the connection has been made between the two apps, Pokey and Google, but I'll do it just for context. Now, watch what happens. PokeeClaw reads the form response, pulls Sarah's answers. In fact, it not only thinks, but it also solves in real time. I'm going to explain. By the looks of it, it has no trouble drafting the email based on the input that I provided, both the prompt and the source URL. We'll look at the email draft in a moment. But I wasn't specific about what Slack channel to post it. So it deduces from the info that it has, and it posts the update in our general channel, which makes the most sense. So I'm happy with that choice. And I also like that it provides a reason. It's an example of where I can provide more context or direction, instruction. For now, though, I keep what I want in plain language and gradually improve each time. So let's see what we've got. It personalizes the email based on what she submitted. So this is not just a standard template. It's a response that reflects what she actually said. I'll hop in here, make a few tweaks, add my human voice, and then click send when I'm ready. Having something to start with saves me time. It allows me to focus on the most important parts that I should execute on as a human. And just as I asked in the prompt, at the same time, it fires a Slack message to my team channel, new lead, key details, URL, all of the initial details that they need. So this all happened just from one prompt within the browser and 3 things accomplished. This is what cross-app automation actually looks like in practice without it ever being overwhelming or being stuck in code. And we are just getting started. Now, here's where it gets really useful for agency work specifically. Once I've confirmed the audit is moving forward, I need to put together the brand audit recap. That's the Google Slides document that we send to clients after we've done our review. Normally this means opening the template, manually filling in the client name, their industry, their answers, and audit findings. It's repetitive at times, but PokeeClaw does a lot of this for me. So let's start on my brand audit recap template, which looks something like this. I'm hoping that Pokey can help me get a head start on this document, which I'll review myself and add in additional analysis and thoughts from my brain. But having a strong starting point without the pressure of admin tasks like adding her name and answers, this makes the final output even better. So I can grab that URL and we will return to the same conversation thread. Okay, Pokey already has context from Sarah's form submission. It remembers everything from our earlier prompt. So I'm gonna type something like, Using Sarah's intake responses, populate this brand audit recap template linked below in Google Slides with her business name, industry, and brand positioning answers. Okay, so Pokey reads the Google Slides template to understand its structure, placeholder, content, etc., and then it downloads a template to begin populating each slide with the correct details. Now, I'll speed this part up for the video, but even at that, it only took a few minutes to thoroughly complete this task. I also want to mention, because it's handling a multi-step workflow like this, token efficiency matters really across any AI tool you use. PokeeClaw is built to use fewer tokens across reoccurring and complex tasks. That means you can keep things running smoothly without unnecessary cost. So let's see what we've got. A nice little summary here of what's been done. So obviously client name, business description, industry, current brand positioning. That's the part that's a little more complex. All populated automatically. I'm pleased. Let's view it in the browser so you can see it too. Wow, it looks fantastic. And it looks on brand. I should also mention, this is where the long context memory feature matters. So it's not only starting from scratch, with every prompt, it carries the full context of the workflow forward, so each step builds on the last. The result here is a populated first draft of the deck, ready for me to review and add my audit findings. After the brand audit is done, I need to send Sarah the recap. That means attaching the deck and then writing a professional follow-up email. In the past, that's 10 minutes of context switching. With PokeeClaw, it is one more prompt. I ask PokeeClaw to draft a follow-up email to Sarah in Gmail, referencing the completed brand audit and attaching the slides deck. So we've already commanded Pokey in the past to use Gmail, you saw that, and I'm noticing how fast it gets this done each time. With more context, it gets better. I love the details included in the follow-up email, which gives me a tease of what's included in the final document. So let's take a look at the draft. Okay, so it wrote a professional, personalized email using her name, and it inserts her email, referencing her business at Luminary Co., and framing the next steps clearly, all from context it already has. I review it, make any tweaks, and then I can send it. And this is the part of agency work, I'm sure you know, that burns time without adding value, writing the same type of follow-up email over and over, just with different names and details. Again, the best way to use this tool, have it handle the repetitive parts so you can stay focused on the work that actually requires a human. Now, before I wrap up, I want to quickly show you how fast it is to actually get started. This is one of the things that sets PokeeClaw from other agents. PokeeClaw is browser-based, nothing to install, and nothing to configure in a complicated way beyond connecting whichever tools you want to leverage, which is super easy. You log in and you basically start working. Now, a lot of tools in this space get presented by fellow creators as plug and play, right? OpenClaw, Claude Code, similar tools. And look, they're impressive, but what those videos don't show you is the setup time, the learning curve, the local infrastructure you need running in the background, Mac Minis, and the hours of prompt optimization before you get a result worth keeping. I made a video about this tool. You are watching it, but I wasn't a PokeeClaw expert when I started recording. With every prompt that you watched me type, I feel more comfortable. I can work towards becoming more efficient, a little more clear on how I ask for what I want. But here's the thing, I do not have to be an expert to get useful results from the very first prompt. The tool met me where I was. On the security side, PokeeClaw runs in an isolated sandbox, so your credentials are stored in an encrypted vault. Any sensitive action, like sending an email or updating a file, it requires your approval before it executes. And the agent only accesses what it actually needs for the workflow, nothing else. So for anyone handling client data, that matters more than any feature list. And that is why this tool gets my endorsement. So that is PokeeClaw, an AI agent that works inside Google Workspace, handles your actual workflows, and it doesn't require a technical background for a complicated setup to use. For me, the most valuable thing that this handles is the repetitive connective tissue of agency work. So moving information between tools, keeping records updated, drafting the same types of communication. This frees me up more time to spend time actually working, the work bit that requires a human. So if you want to try it, I've linked to it below. You can use this code for 10% off. You're welcome. Plus, this is good. I have 5 free 1-month PokeePro coupons to give away. Shoot me an email. First come, first served. Happy to help. Let me know in the comments. What is the one workflow in your business that you'd want to hand off to an AI agent? I love that this question gets you thinking. I am going to be reading every single one of those comments. If this video was helpful, hit like. It helps other people discover more of these videos, which we create for you to help you grow your business. Subscribe if you want more branding, AI tools, and growing your business. I'm Pallen. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.